Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are deep cleaning my entire bedroom. I love this. I do these videos all the time. I have a whole playlist of these deep cleaning videos. I will watch them over. Not even just my videos, other people's too. It is just so entertaining to watch someone speed clean. So that's what we're doing. We are going to deep clean my entire bedroom. And my room, it's not a huge mess right now, but the organization is. It really needs to be not only deep clean, because I feel like I've done a lot of surface cleaning, but I need to deep clean it. It's kind of gross. You know when you're I'll do it later, I'll do it later, and then you're it's later, I need to do it? That's how I feel. For the new year, I want my room super clean with finals and everything. I was I'll just clean it later, and then now we're here. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I make a ton of videos that I hope you would like. I don't know. Let's start with my room. It's not a mess, like I said. Stuff needs to happen. That's not bad. I've done so much worse. I have trash. This can be cluttered. Trash. The bathroom, quite honestly, is disgusting. It's not ew, but it's this needs a wipe down. I also really need to organize this. This is something that really needs to be organized. I also really want to organize this. This is all my favorite products that I use frequently, and it's just so cluttered. It's not it. And the number one area that needs most cleaning, my closet. Let's turn the light on. I want to reorganize all of these drawers. I hate the way they're organized. This one especially, I have all of this laundry. I have so much laundry that I just kept pushing off. So as you can see, it doesn't look like we have a lot to do, but we have a lot to do. The first thing that I always like to do is my laundry. I always just like to put it in so I can do stuff while it's going, so I just feel it's multitasking. First thing that I want to do is separate my colors and my lights. So we're going to start there. And everything else that wouldn't fit. Let's do this.
Try to get some money for some stuff that I need. Swear the ATM machine was laughing at me. Your girl, been running on empty. But I don't let it affect
I put the first load in. There's this sound coming from my roof, and I'm what? Anyways, I put my lights in. I think my New Year's resolution, one of them is going to be to do my laundry more frequently so I don't have 3 baskets of laundry to do at a time. It's hard living with roommates, as I'm sure you guys know who've lived with roommates. The washing machine I feel is always taken. Even if it's not running, someone's stuff is still in there if they forget to take it out. It gets hard, but I need to make it a resolution to stop procrastinating it as much as I have been. As I was sorting through my clothes, I was game planning what I wanted to do, and at first I was oh, I want to make my bed, but I want to clean my sheets. And then I was oh, I should do my closet, but then I'm wait, should I wait until my clothes are done? So that leaves us with the bathroom. I will say the bathroom is the area that probably needs the most work. I think I'm gonna start with the cart because the under the sink, all of my most used products up here, and the stuff that I don't use as frequently put somewhere else. This, I don't really use these as much as I want to, so I might move them somewhere else.
Days that I consider moving back home, but every day I do, my gut keeps telling me no. Your girl, been running on daydreams, but that's just how my brain be. I don't need your doubt, nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill, yeah.
Okay, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I cleared it off a lot. This might not be organized to so many people, but to me, I'm this is pretty good. I have just all the stuff that I use on an everyday basis, my dry shampoos, my deodorants, my face cream, lotion, makeup remover, hairbrush, stuff like that. These are things that I grab for a lot. Down here, I need to restock this, but I use a lot of these serums every day, and so I thought, why not put them here? And then I put those other serums back there, and I want to start using them. And I also put this in the order that I do it. I really only go to here, and then I emptied out a ton of stuff down there. I'm really hoping that will encourage me not to put things down there and just throw them. I think the next thing that I need to do is clean under the sink. I don't want to do it just because do you guys hear these sounds? I don't know if you can hear. There's a ton of sounds coming from outside. I just don't want to go through this, but I know that I need to because a lot of my cleaning supplies is under here. I just don't have a good system of how to organize this.
Good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes. Good vibes. So when I can't pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt.
I just finished this for now. It's not going to stay like this, and the issue that I was having was I had to have all my blankets and towels in there because I have my Christmas stuff out right now. Christmas. All the towels and rugs were in here, which after Christmas, obviously I'm going to take it out. I can't keep things like this. There's going to have to be more stuff, but I think it looks good as of right now. I don't think it looks horrible. We'll come back. But the issue that I now have, I just have stuff everywhere now.
Always turn around, yeah, I got good vibes. Good vibes. stole it from me. From the selfish, but I fake like I'm from the streets. Your girl, staying pretty busy, learning how to city. Life is way too short to get caught up in that mess. All I wanna do is get drunk on happiness. Your girl loves that silver lining. Don't knock me cause I'm smiling. I don't need your doubt, nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes, good vibes. So when I can't pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt, yeah, things always turn around. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Rip a page out of the book of life from Sir Bon Jovi and just take a second, take a breath. Don't worry, just be happy. All that you got is a day, don't got a second to waste. You have permission to listen to the brain you've been given. Yeah, you got a future to take. Yep. Ooh, you ain't failing if you're trying, and ooh, gotta believe the future's brighter. You owe it to yourself to do what only brings you joy. So shut up all that noise, yep, shut up all that noise. Hey, just chill, I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes, good vibes. So when I can't pay the rent, I got nothing in my fridge. Got no doubt, yeah, things always turn around. Yeah, I got good vibes, good vibes. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Sing it with me, every little thing is gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. We don't gotta make it complicated and stir it up now.
Hello, it's a few days later. This always happens where I get like some motivation, start cleaning, and then I'm like, I have no motivation now. Happens every time. But now that it's a few days later, we need to clean. The last thing that I did was put my laundry away, and that was maybe like yesterday or the day before that. And my room has gone like a little messy again. I don't know. This is from when I went to the gym and then showered after. Lovely. But I will say, I've done it. I've kept this nice. Like this, I'm proud of myself. And then I was wrapping presents for Christmas.
You and me, we got time to waste it. So give it up, cool down. Bigger houses, faster cars. Don't need it all, just come around to the backyard. We don't gotta.
Right now, I'm making my bed. The other day off camera, I kind of went through my closet and just moved some things around. I'll show you. Can we just talk about how I literally started making my bed and then I was like, I'll do it later. I have a ton of sports bras, and so I just put them in these little organizers. I'll link them down below. This one's from IKEA, but I'll link the ones from Amazon down below. They're really great. I have them for all my drawers. This really needs to be organized. I want to go through all of my socks and get rid of the ones that I don't wear. I have my leggings here. Kind of want to go through that. This is like the number one thing that I really want to go through. This drawer and this drawer, because this drawer just had everything. This drawer was overflowing with stuff. All of this stuff was in that drawer as well. This was like my sports bra drawer that I never use because I never really wear them because I have a bunch of like these tops of sports bras built in. So I want to go through that. Hello, I'm back days later. I've not really been having the motivation to clean, but I need to. So I think that right now I'm gonna take down some of my Christmas decor because it's after Christmas now. I know I've been doing this for that long. I've just really been pushing it off. So I thought that I would trade out some of my Christmas decor with just like my regular decor, and that might make it a little bit easier to clean up just because it's not like cluttered with Christmas everywhere. Even though it is very sad to take down the Christmas stuff, I feel like it'll be like a fresh start.
Don't you worry, I let it go and I'm caught in a rush. We don't got a lot of money, we'll make it work with whatever we got. So bring yourself in all your homies and throw it down cause we're turning it up.
so weird. It feels so empty. Like, it just feels like there's something missing, which technically there is because there was a ton of Christmas stuff. I have all my Christmas stuff here in this pile. My box of Christmas stuff is downstairs, so I need to go bring it all downstairs, but I'm kind of like not in the mood for it. I did wash my towels, the Christmas towels, and then the towels that I'm going to be using. They're in the washing machine right now. I just can't get over how empty it looks. I think it's beautiful. It just feels like it's missing so much.
Take a breath in, out. Just let it be, don't gotta show everybody you deserve what you want, so why you wanna make it complicated? I feel it all with every piece of me. It's going down and we're turning it up. It's so good now, don't you worry. I let it go when I'm caught in the rush. We don't gotta love a Monday. We make it work with whatever we got. So bring yourself in all your homemade and throw it down, 'cause we're turning it up.
I'm cold, if you can't tell. Today's the day where we're finishing cleaning my room. If it kills me, I don't care. I went through my nightstand and organized it. This top one used to be completely different. It was like a junk drawer. So now I just have some notebooks, pens, a sleeping mask, and then my mask for like when I run out the door because it's the one closest to my door. And then in here, this was a complete disaster. This is kind of like my like YouTube drawer with all my camera stuff for vlogs. And this was horrible. I just kind of organized it, really consolidated it, and put other stuff. Wait, let me close this. Let me close this. And here, a lot of this stuff was just clutter and I don't use it on a daily basis, so I didn't need it. I'm actually gonna make breakfast really quickly because I'm starving. Well, actually, no, I'm not. I have a ton of more laundry. I know. Didn't I just say that my goal was to do it more often? This kind of counts as often. I don't know. I'm gonna sort through my laundry so I can do my laundry while I'm eating breakfast.
It's so hard to stay on top of the world when the world keeps telling you who you should be. All these people telling you what you need. Oh, darling, only you can set your spirit free. Pay attention now, I ain't gonna stop it, stop it. Honey, everything you need is in your pocket. Darling, this is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go. Honey, this is all that you want and more. When you open your mind and open the front door. Only one thing I know is that good things happen when you lose control. A real change inside my soul. The sun is coming up, down every road. Got some.
Okay, let me show you guys around. I just have to put my laundry away and that's it. I also vacuumed. I love how my room feels when everything is wiped down, like there's no dust anywhere. These sconces just held so much dust, so I'm so glad that I was able to wipe them down. It feels nice. This is going to be my junk pile. I was talking to my boyfriend and he was like, you need a basket just to put your stuff that you don't know where to put at the moment. This is what it became. I have my ski helmet because I'm going skiing. Never been. Made my bed. I never ended up cleaning my sheets, which I need to, but I just don't feel like doing it today. But this is the room. I need to throw this away. I cleaned every mirror except for this one because this one, other than like this smudge right here, which I don't even know if I can physically reach, it's pretty clean because it's brand new. Also, every single time I clean mirrors, there's just always streaks. So sometimes I'm like, is it even worth it? I know you guys have said to use newspaper instead of paper towels, but I don't even know where I would buy newspaper. Like, where can you even get that from? Here's the bathroom. I'm really glad that I cleaned that out. You guys saw that. You also saw this. The closet. I just went through all my socks and just made sure that everyone had a pair matching. And then I organized my like workout legging drawer. This one is like nicer clothes, so I have like nicer shorts and pants. I have skirts, midi skirts, and then I have just some leggings back there. These are like lounge sweats, joggers, stuff like that. This is a nice pair of pants, and then these are like some lounge shorts. I'm feeling very accomplished. I just need to put my laundry away when it's done, and then this room is finally clean. Only took me like 2 weeks. Just kidding, not 2.
So baby, use it. Instead of being so afraid you're gonna lose it. Darling, this is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes, say that you let it go. Honey, this is all that you want and more. When you open your mind, open the front door. If you could let it go and let it happen, what you'll find is a little bit of magic. You gotta let it go, just let it happen. Start a cycle, a chain reaction.
My room is finally clean and it feels so good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.